In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Facebook Marketplace across different devices and troubleshoot any issues you might encounter along the way. First and foremost, ensure that you meet the necessary criteria to access Marketplace. You must be at least 18 years old to use this feature. Additionally, Facebook Marketplace isn't available in all countries, so it's important to verify that it's supported in your location. Once you've established that you're eligible, it's a good idea to make sure your Facebook app or browser version is up to date. If you're using a browser, you might want to clear your cache and cookies. This can be done by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Delete simultaneously on your keyboard. Select the option to clear your browsing data and log back into Facebook. This step can often resolve any underlying issues due to outdated information stored in your cache. For those using mobile devices, simply head over to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and check for any updates available for your Facebook app. Download the latest version if needed to ensure optimal performance. If updating doesn't resolve the issue, consider accessing Facebook from a different device or browser. You might try logging in through another browser such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Alternatively, hop over to your smartphone and see if Marketplace becomes available there. Sometimes switching devices or browsers can help bypass any technical hurdles that might be specific to a particular platform. Next, you should check your account status. To do this, navigate to the Settings section of your Facebook account, then click on Account Status. If there are any restrictions or policy violations on your account, this could be causing your access to the marketplace to be blocked. If you find any issues here, following Facebook's guidelines to address them will be necessary for regaining access. Another thing to try is adjusting your language and region settings. Go back into settings and look for the language and region option. Set your language to English, US, or select another language and region combination that is known to support Marketplace. After making these changes, refresh your Facebook page to apply the new settings and see if that resolves the issue. Finally, you could try accessing the Marketplace directly. Sometimes simply using the direct link to the Marketplace can get you there quickly. While this may not always solve the problem, if there are underlying issues with your account or device, it's a quick and simple step that might just do the trick. By following each of these steps, you should be well on your way to accessing Facebook Marketplace smoothly. If you encounter any lingering issues, consider reaching out to Facebook support for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping.